how to fix Snapchat story not sending, not working, not uploading, and not loading problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can fix the Snapchat story problem. Okay, whether your story is not sending, not working, not uploading, or not loading. So if you're facing any kind of problem regarding your Snapchat story, simply watch this video. Okay, by watching this video you can easily fix the problem. So whatever solution I'm going to give you in this video, you just need to follow that, and then guys your problem will be fixed and you can easily upload story on upload story in Snapchat, and then guys you can enjoy it. Okay, so guys, if you want to know how you can fix this problem, then simply watch this video till the end. Okay, after watching this video till the end you can fix this problem. Okay, if you don't watch the video, then guys you cannot fix it. But guys, if you have watched the video till the end, then guys you can simply fix the problem. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. Okay, so now guys, let's start the video without wasting any more time. Okay, so the first thing guys, what you need to know about this here. Okay, so for that, if you are going to upload story on Snapchat, okay, then make sure that you have a good internet connection, you have a strong internet connection, because whenever we upload something in our social site like Facebook, WhatsApp, or Snapchat, okay, we need a strong net connection, otherwise it cancelled or it doesn't upload. Okay, so better to have a good internet connection. So if you don't have if you don't have good internet connection, then just go to your SIM card and mobile networks, select your SIM, go to preferred network type, and then guys switch your network. Okay, at the first step you have to switch the network and check in which area your network is good, or if in area, okay, if the 4G is working good, then guys 3G doesn't work good. So in some area 3G works good and 4G doesn't work good. Okay, so you can switch up with 4G and 3G, and then guys check which network is good in your area, and then guys which network is good, you just have to use that, and then guys go and check and try to upload on Snapchat story. So if by simply fixing your internet, if your problem got fixed, if you upload is if you are able to upload in your Snapchat story, then guys it's great, your job is done. Okay, but guys, if you are still having the same problem since instead of having a good internet connection, then guys do some solution for your application. Okay, so to fix that problem, you have to go to your Play Store. And first you have to go to Play Store, and then guys update your application. So just you need an update, because whenever you update an application, bugs problem will be fixes. And guys, not only bugs problem, you will get latest features as well. Okay, latest features will be activated, so just update it. And after the update guys, what you have to do here, okay, so for that you just have to go to setting, update it, go to setting. Okay, you have to do that. So go to setting, scroll down and go to apps, and then tap on manage apps, or you may find here install apps. So just you have to go there, and then guys you have to select Snapchat, or you have to find out the Snapchat application here. So go to Snapchat, and then guys you have to clear the data from Snapchat. Okay, so clear the data, and then go to app permission and allow the permissions. So allow all the permission, and then guys go to restrict data uses, turn off all the blue ticks, and then turn it on, and then click OK. And after that, restart your device. So after the restart guys, go to Snapchat, and then guys try to upload something in your story, and this time guys you can upload it. Okay, your problem will be definitely fixed. So by doing all this solution guys, okay, your problem will be definitely fixed, and you can upload story on Snapchat. So just follow whatever I have shown you in this video. Okay, you have to follow all the solution, and then guys at the last your problem will be fixed. Okay, but guys, you have to keep that in mind whenever you are going to upload. Always check your network connection. Okay, so this is how you can fix your Snapchat story not sending, not working, not uploading, or not loading problem. But guys, if your problem is fixed by all the solution, then guys, it's great. Okay, your job is done. But if you are still having the same problem, if you are unable to send the Snapchat story, okay, or if you are still having this same problem, then just go to your setting, or gear icon. Okay, go to that, and then guys, you have to scroll down and click on I spotted a bug, and then guys, you have to search here for the story option. You can go to friends, or you can select the choose topic. So if there is any stories option, then we have to select it. Okay, as you can see, stories. So you just have to click here, and then guys, you have to describe your problem out here. Tell us about what happened. The more details, the better. Okay, so it's simply saying that you need to tell them describely. So you have to give explanation for your problem. So what problem you're facing, just tell them, okay, clearly, and then guys, your problem will be fixed within 24 hours. Okay, it will take 24 hours. So just you have to do all this solution step by step, and then guys, check it, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix the Snapchat story problem. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.